Hi, my name's Rich Sparks, and let me share with you this wonderful house, 35547 Collingwood Drive, located in Sterling Heights, Michigan. This 1,545 square foot home has it all. It's been totally updated throughout. Come on in and check it out. The first thing you're going to notice is how clean this house is. It has new flooring throughout, updated kitchen, first floor laundry, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a finished basement. This is a chef's kitchen. You have leathered granite. You have Thomasville cabinetry with dovetail and soft close. Nice little breakfast nook back here. If you like to cook, you're gonna love this kitchen. Master bedroom is quite large, very roomy. You have your ensuite, there's a walk-in closet. You're not gonna see that, you'll have to see that in person. But everything is move-in ready here, guys. You name it. It does have a 2-car garage, a very large yard, which we're gonna see here in a minute. But the one thing you just don't get in a lot of houses these days is how clean it is. But let's check out that basement. Lots of space down here, and more space if you wanted to expand the livable area in the basement. You do have this custom bar here with this custom concrete countertop. This room can be used as an office. They're just storing the bed there for now. And the beauty of this, you're downstairs, and when nature calls, you have a bathroom that is gorgeous. Now let's go outside. You have a 2-tiered deck out here. Great. I like the privacy if you want to do a little sun tanning back there and don't want all the neighbors Googling you. Large yard. This yard is 80 foot wide, 120 foot deep, so you have lots of space. Clean house, updated. Sterling Heights, don't miss out. Schedule your private showing today.